Hello and welcome to our tutorial series. In this 7-video series, I'll walk you through the basics of using Intuiface. You can find a link to the text version of this tutorial in the video description. This is a continuation of what we built in the previous video, so if you need to catch up, click here. Let's import content into the content library. We are going to add an image into the biography scene. Use the blue ribbon to display the content library. Click the Import Files button and browse to the folder you downloaded from the link in the description of the first video. Inside that folder is a folder named 2-biography. Open that folder as well. Inside that folder are 4 images, a PDF document, and a video. Highlight everything and then click the Open button. All 6 items are now listed in the content library. Now, let's add an image to the scene. Left-click and drag timburton.portraitpng from the content library to anywhere in the scene, and then let go of your mouse button. Click the play button at the top of Composer. This scene has now filled your display, which means, in this case, your entire screen is blank, except for the image of Tim Burton. If you have a touchscreen, you can move, increase and decrease the size, and rotate the image with your fingers. If you don't have a touchscreen, use your mouse to move and spin the image. Thanks to Composer, this image, just a boring PNG file, is now fully interactive. Return to edit mode by pressing the Escape key. That's it. You're ready to move on to part 3. I hope this video was fun and informative, and that you are inspired to create and develop your own unique experiences. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next step of this tutorial.